Hello friends, if you're part of the family, welcome back. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. This video is totally random. I'm just gonna try this new Biodance. Well, I don't know if it's new, but it's new to me. I wanted to try it out and I thought, hey, why don't I just film it, show you all my results. This mask is all over the internet, all over YouTube. Everybody's been trying it. My friend was the one who told me about it. I hadn't heard about it until she told me, and then I looked it up and there was so many content on YouTube, on Instagram, everywhere about it and how amazing it is. And so I'm like, let me go try it. So I grabbed it in my local store here in Spain. There's a beauty store called Normal. I paid about €6, which is like almost $8, I think, roughly, give or take. And so I want to try it out. It wasn't cheap for a mask. It wasn't cheap. And I'm supposed to leave it on overnight. They say anywhere from 3 to 4 hours. But generally you should leave it overnight. And so I have to apply it, wait for it to go clear, like go transparent, because that means that my skin has absorbed the maximum amount of products, in this case collagen, and then take it off. So you know what? I'm just gonna film it, see how that goes. So yeah, the Biodance, hopefully I'm saying that right, which is part of like K-beauty world. Yeah, so I'm super excited. I'm gonna go ahead and shower, wash my makeup off. I actually just finished reviewing 2 foundations for you all. That video should already be up. Yeah, I'll put a link below for it. So I'm gonna go to shower, wash my makeup off, and then put it on. I'll put it on here on camera so you guys can see how it looks. It is, what time is it? It is 7:33 at night. It is dark here in Spain. And so that's why everything's dark and my light is like super bright in my face. Anyways, really excited to try it on. Let's see. All right, guys, I am back. I showered. I'm in my PJs. The instructions say that you should wash your face with a cleanser. Make sure you remove all of your makeup. Also add a toner and a serum. And that's usually what I do at nighttime. I apply a toner, a serum, moisturizer, all that good stuff. But I just stopped at the serum. And so that's all I have in my face. Let me zoom in so you guys can see. Here we go. That's what I look like with no makeup. Okay, here we go. All right, let's get started. Let's go ahead and open it. They kind of give you roughly what it should look like back here. There's no real instructions. You're just opening it up and just putting it on your face. Apparently. Oh, it is so slimy. Ah! All right, I'm gonna assume I should have put my hair back. I didn't. Here we go. Yeah. This is supposed to like stay super firm on your face. I'm scared it's gonna get all over my sheets, but we shall see. There are 2 little flaps. I'm not sure where they go, but I'm gonna put them here because, actually, hold on. I'll put them this way just because this area is already very sensitive. I think that's where they go. I could be doing this so wrong. Maybe these, hold on. I should have watched the video on how to put this on. I should have. I didn't. Here we are. It is what it is. Okay. Oh my gosh. It's very, very fragile. Like I've already ripped some of it. There's another one? There's another one of these little things? There's 3 of these. I don't know where the other one goes. Is it here maybe? I don't know. Don't laugh at me. Okay. See, I've already ripped it. Look at that. Okay. Lord. This way? Okay. There's the rib right there. Okay. There's another rib. Guys, I don't know if I'll be able to last the entire night with this on my face. I'm not gonna lie. It's already bothering me. Hopefully I did that right. Okay. I think I should have had a little more this way. Can I fix it? Maybe I can fix it. Oh, I can. Okay. Okay. It really adjusts very easily. Kind of like if you mess up, you can kind of like shift it and it kind of just goes with it. I mean, this is gonna moisturize my eyebrows too because it's covering my eyebrows. I thought I had made these slits by accidentally breaking it, but no. All right, guys, this is what I look like. I kind of want to cut this off. Like, you see how it sticks out? I feel like Hannibal Lecter right now. I can push this up a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna get the rest of it because I have some on my fingers. I'm gonna put some on my neck because I would love to put collagen on my neck and help with all those wrinkles and all that creeping. Okay. How do I look? How do I look? I might just cut this a little bit. We'll see. I ripped it again. Look, there's a little rip right there, right here. And there's another one down here somewhere that I fixed. All right, guys, see you all tomorrow morning. I can't even laugh. Hey guys, so it's been about 2.5 hours and over here, down on my chin, it's completely clear. I can't move my lips and my face that much. These little patches here still have to kind of absorb. This keeps lifting up here on the bridge of my nose, but I still have this to go. I think I can last. I didn't think that I could last the entire night, but you know what? I think I can because it's firmer on my face. It's not as slimy. It's firmer and I feel like it's not gonna come off. And so even if I like lay down my pillow, like it's not the slime, like there's no slime. It's not slimy anymore. It's pretty dry. And so I can feel that it's cold here because it still has the product, which is yet to be dry and absorbed, but it's not enough that it's going to be slimy on my pillow. You know what I'm saying? So, all right, we'll see tomorrow morning. Hey guys, so it is Sunday afternoon. As you guys can see in the last video, I went ahead and took off the mask. I left it on the entire night. It was completely clear. I mean, it looked like I was wearing just a clear mask, pretty much, because it completely, not dry, well, it absorbed into the skin, and so it left, the color left, and so it was completely clear. It was very weird, and it dried firm It wasn't slimy. When I first put it on, I felt like it wasn't gonna last the entire night because it really was kind of just sliming and moving all over my face. But eventually, little by little, as the time went by, it started getting harder and harder, to a point where I really, as you guys can see, I had to peel it off this morning. I wish I could have done this video this morning, but it is Sunday and I had to get ready for church. And so it is afternoon, so I've already gone to church back. You can't really tell too much in the video, but my face was so glossy. It looked glassy too, to the point where after putting on my makeup, and you can even tell a little bit here, my face just looked very greasy, and it didn't matter the amount of powder I put on my face. I put a lot of powder. You can still kind of see it in my chin, and you can still kind of see it now here in my chin area. And I just added powder right now to make this this outro video. All over my chin, all over here, all over my forehead. And so I know some ladies have done this mask the night before an event or the night before a wedding. I wouldn't recommend it just because, at least in my skin, it just looked greasy. I mean, my skin has never been this hydrated ever. But to go somewhere, if you don't have really matte foundation or put a lot of powder, it's gonna seep through. And even because I applied all that, and you can still see a lot of like the greasy, I don't know. With that said, that's the pro. I mean, sorry, that's the con. I wouldn't do it a night before like a very important event. The pro, I would say, is that my skin has never been this hydrated. When I took off the mask, there really wasn't a lot of product left, because the instruction says that whatever product was left, I had to kind of just blend it into the skin. There really wasn't, it's like it all had dried completely off. But it was still so glowy. And like I said, my skin has never been this hydrated. So I'll see how long it lasts. The recommendations are like 2 to 3 times a week. I don't know if I could do this 2 to 3 times a week. I do live in a very dry area, and so I can see the benefits of doing it, but I think once a week is enough. But we'll see. Hopefully this greasy look doesn't last the entire week, because today was just a lot. With that said, I have purchased more, so I probably will be able to, I'll do it again. But I don't know if I want to do it overnight, just because I couldn't sleep. I couldn't sleep last night. I was tossing and turning, and even though it wasn't moving, it was just weird. I felt like I couldn't like lay down my pillow the way that I usually do, and so it was a little uncomfortable. So I think next time I'll probably do it on a Saturday morning when I know I'm gonna be home for like 5 hours, right? Because the recommendations are at least 3 to 4 hours. And I went to sleep at like the 4-hour mark, and there were still like white spots in the mask, and so I would recommend like 5 or 6. So I think I'll probably do it a day that I'm just home all day, and so. All right, guys, so it is the evening. It is 8:15, and I came home after church. I took a nap. I woke up, and we had to go back for choir practice, and I powdered my face. Didn't add any more foundation, just powdered my face. And look how, like, I'm still so oily from the hydration of that mask. Like, look, my face is never this oily. Like, look at this. Look at that. So like I live in the area that I live is just really dry, and so in the opposite, I feel like my face has become a lot more dry ever since I moved to Spain. Just like this has never happened here in Spain. And so I think obviously I need to do this mask more often, but in days where or the day of and the day after, hopefully I don't have much to do or an event, because like this is pretty, like my foundation, it's slip and sliding. Like my foundation's not holding on to my face because it's just so oily. Like this, I'm just like amazed. This has never, I could like put this in a frying pan and like fry up some, I don't know what, because this is just, it's so much. Yeah. All right, guys, that's about it. Thank you all so much for tuning in, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.